Today we see how to secure Apache 2 on Ubuntu and Debian. That solution is also valid for 2.2 version of Apache on Ubuntu and Debian. Now check if the security configuration is enabled. Sometimes this configuration is already enabled by default, so in that case, skip this part. Enable the secure configuration. Check if it's enabled. And now edit the config file. Here reduce the fingerprint. And also here, reduce the fingerprint of error pages. Trace enable, it's off. Enable header nosnif. Enable header same origin. And here you can add security header. For example, to secure cookies. And now write that if you have an SSL-only Apache Web Server. Save the file. And that's it. Now see the header before. Enable the config file. And now see the header after. Remember, for the activation of that security headers, you need to enable an Apache module. We see on the next video how to enable that Apache module and how to secure other modules. For that documentation, you can find the link on the description. If you liked that video, please subscribe my channel and activate the bell for other solutions. Bye.